But here's just the drawing of the piece in the traditional graphite. Here's just a finished sketch for the Illustrator, and basically just taking that sketch of the drawing and working over the top of it with the ellipse tool, kind of duplicating it. You could draw it separately, but then taking the pen tool and just making a shape, adjusting the path there, and using the shape builder tool. In this case, it's not too bad. I'm going to just redraw it using the same idea. So it's taking those shapes to give you a circle, and then the overlapping tar paper, you can do the same idea with the blend tool to make those three shapes. And once you have that, here's like a little package label, still overlapping it so you don't have to worry about trying to match the piece. And then the end part that has the hole through the center is just building that up, making that section kind of a traditional drawing of using the shapes themselves. And then using the gradients, when you click on the gradients, you have the gradient editor, and you can click on the monitor to get that shape and fill these pieces with black or a gradient. And the gradient editor has this bar that allows you to stretch it across, and you can click down at the colors to add colors. Just click on it, move it across, optional duplicate them, and you can save that gradient right in this palette, and it makes you build that up. So the part that's at the end is a circle, just has all these different shades, so just kind of using the gradients to stretch those across and give yourself a piece. If you want to edit this, the gradient editor kind of shows the circular one or a linear, and you can again adjust the shape, the size, the major and minor axis of this, so it builds it up pretty quickly. And then just duplicating a copy, I always like to duplicate it in case I change something, and in this case just adjusting the colors for this label. I'm not sure why I made it orange, but just kind of give it a piece. Then duplicating it and trying to draw a section that'll have some line quality to it, and maybe doing a shadow. That's the shadow with the fill. Just make it a general fill, dark to light. And then in the appearance panel, you can change the transparency as well as the blur under the styles, so it's kind of a throwing it at you. Move everything out of the way, the tab key to hide it, and then just take a screenshot from traditional all the way to the digital side of it.